Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become a Squid Game Guard in DTI. And let's step into the shadow and serve this mysterious menace with this triangle mask look tutorial. And if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps through this video. So in here, what you need to do first is just make your skin tone black like this, and you don't need to put any makeup on. Then just go straight to the fitting room, and first you're going to put on this jacket from the code items and color it using this hex code. You can copy this because you are going to use this a lot, this color. And now I'm going to just make the material into matte. Okay, and let's go put on the gloves. So here I'm going to just put on the gloves and toggle it into short with no fur and use the black color. And let's put on the shoe. I'm going to put on this boots in here, this one, and change the color into all black. And now you are just going to put on the biker short and use the same color like the jacket. And for the pants, I'm going to just put on this white pants in here, white jeans, and use the same color. Don't forget to change the material into matte. For the pants, I'm going to toggle it into a pocket so the pants will look like this. Let's put on the hoodie, this one, and I'm going to toggle it into type 2 and change the color. Now to make the triangle, you can just put on this earmuff and follow my adjustment in here. Click on the adjustment, and for the position, X 52, Y 54, Z 46. For the rotate, make the X and Y 0 and the Z 1. Adjust the scale to only 10. Second one, put on this earmuffs, and again use the same method, use the adjustment feature. Don't forget to change the color into white, and here is the adjustment: X 43, Y 51, and also Z on position, and the rotate X and Z 0 and the Y 97 and scale 27. And last one, put on this bandana in here, and then toggle it into type 3, change the color into white, and again use the adjustment. Okay, so here is the adjustment for the last item: the position Y40 and the Z54. The rotate, just change the X into 0 and scale 15. And now you are just going to put on this mask in here and change the color into all black and adjust the position Y49 and the Z46. And now I'm going to just go to the fitting room first and put on this. I'm going to make this as the gun, so make the color all black and toggle it into no X, so remove the X and it will look like this. Okay, now you're just going to go here, so grab the pillows from this rack and change the color into black. So it will look like this person or the guard is shooting by using this pillow right here. And grab the camera. It will look like a gun. So after that, now the Squid Game Guard look is done, and this is the final look. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.